Coastal erosion is a significant environmental issue in the UK, affecting various regions and posing challenges to communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems. This dissertation explores the causes, impacts, and management strategies related to coastal erosion in the UK. Causes of coastal erosion. Coastal erosion in the UK is driven by several factors: natural processes, the action of waves, tides, and currents continuously shapes the coastline. Storms and high-energy wave events accelerate erosion, particularly during winter months. Sea level rise. Climate change-induced sea level rise exacerbates erosion by increasing the frequency and intensity of coastal flooding and storm surges. Human activities, coastal development, construction of sea defenses, and dredging activities can disrupt natural sediment transport, leading to increased erosion in some areas. Impacts of coastal erosion. The impacts of coastal erosion in the UK are multifaceted. Loss of land and property. Erosion leads to the loss of valuable land and properties, affecting communities and local economies. Coastal villages and towns, such as those in Norfolk and East Yorkshire, are particularly vulnerable. Damage to infrastructure. Roads, railways, and utilities located near the coast are at risk of damage or destruction due to erosion. This can disrupt transportation and essential services. Environmental degradation. Coastal habitats, including dunes, salt marshes, and estuaries, are threatened by erosion. This impacts biodiversity and the ecological functions these habitats provide. Cultural heritage. Historical and archaeological sites along the coast are at risk of being lost to erosion. Efforts to protect these sites are ongoing but challenging. Management strategies. Various strategies are employed to manage coastal erosion in the UK. Shoreline Management Plans, SMPs. SMPs are comprehensive plans that outline how different stretches of coastline will be managed. They include approaches such as hold the line, managed realignment, and no active intervention. Hard engineering solutions. Sea walls, groins, and rock armors are constructed to protect specific areas from erosion. While effective in the short term, these solutions can be expensive and may have unintended consequences on adjacent areas. Soft engineering solutions. Beach nourishment and dune restoration are examples of soft engineering techniques that work with natural processes to reduce erosion. These methods are often more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Community engagement and adaptation. Engaging local communities in decision-making and promoting adaptive measures, such as relocating at-risk properties, are crucial for long-term resilience. Conclusion. Coastal erosion is a complex and ongoing challenge in the UK, driven by natural processes and human activities. Effective management requires a combination of engineering solutions, policy measures, and community involvement. As climate change continues to impact sea levels and weather patterns, the need for adaptive and sustainable approaches to coastal erosion management becomes increasingly urgent. References. Check Coastal erosion risk for an area in England, Gov. UK. English communities most under threat from coastal erosion by 2100. One Home. The rising threat of UK coastal erosion. Geographical.